Wakini machiegni weche manyien mago magangichu elongeso ni matarika par kod ariyo dwe mar ang'wen chwalnwa ote magi kokalo lai maroma ote machuok ma en ariyo adek auchiel nono. Par bende ni waidore e mbui mago mag tudruok Facebook, YouTube, Twitter kata X kanyakla kod e TikTok. Machiegni nyinga Jailieta jaloko marwa en Wilson. Raila Odinga owuok tung' mosuo kod jood bura ewi omenda mar NG-CDF kogolo kwayo mondo omenda go kod omenda mar konga payni kata RMFF okete lwet gavanas kaka yo matego counties. Raila singo mar bago campaign mar tipo mar mayo jood bura omenda mag NG-CDF e yiero mabiro poni ogiyie miyo gavanas omenda makamago.
But we equally plead with you, Your Excellency, and the Right Honorable Prime Minister, that there's this other thing called CDF, NG-CDF. Hii pia msitunyang'anye jameni. Hata ukiangalia hii shule, it is shining courtesy of CDF. I agree that members of parliament have no business involving themselves in the details of CDF, including construction. Lakini at the end of the day, CDF to konyo kozo konyo. Uye no okonyo kozo konyo. Koro CDF to beda and manani, we have to be careful. We ensure that it is restricted to the functions of national government and the member of parliament has no business dealing with it.
And OTM disagree. CDF, national government. Give that CDF national government, but to the counties, not the MPs. Fuel levy. Members of parliament, Your Excellency, have no business constructing roads. The role of members of parliament is clearly stated. Representation, legislation, and oversight. How do you oversight when you yourself are actually implementing? Those funds should go to the counties. And if the governors mess up with those things, then we'll deal with the governors themselves. But they don't tie the hands of governors. And then MPs go and say, mimi ndo nimejenga barabara hii, pindi nimejenga barabara hii, nimejenga shule hii, nimejenga hospitali hii, governor hajafanya chochote.